Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, or today, the Friday with Friends Zone. A big shout out to a wonderful group of women, Betty Kahn from Oak by Bettina, our darling Janet, Jay Whitty, and sweet Mary Kirk. Thank you, ladies, so much for inviting me to be your guest artist. Our theme today was picked by Janet, Jay Whitty, and I believe it was bright colors, which is something this girl doesn't do very often, as well as a Picasso theme, which made me very, very excited. So, hang out. I'm going to put some tunes on and watch this little creation come to life, and then when I'm finished, we're going to head on over to, I believe it's Betty Kahn. Oak by Bettina is after me. So thanks for joining us, guys. Head over and check out these wonderful ladies. They work hard for us. They're talented, and they're a joy to watch. Let's get busy.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say, I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. Tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. your type. Somehow I